Hey Chase, thank you so much for agreeing to be my model for the song called Woodpecker. Can you say Woodpecker?
Woodpecker.
Woodpecker. This is an old Hap Palmer tune and it teaches rhythms. So we're going to give it a go. Chase, can you show all the kids out there that might be watching this how you do shoulder holders? Okay, shoulder holders, here we go.
Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Pick out a rhythm and we'll echo you. Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Pick out a rhythm and we'll play it.
Here's the woodpecker. Woodpecker, he say. Go ahead and play your sticks.
All together we play.
Okay, I guess I'm the woodpecker. Woodpecker, he listen to me.
All together we play.
Shoulder holders.
Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Pick out a rhythm and we'll echo you.
Keep going.
Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Pick out a rhythm and we'll
All right, here comes the woodpecker.
Woodpecker, he say.
All together.
All together we play.
Good.
Woodpecker, he say. All together we play. Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Pick out a rhythm and we'll echo you.
Look at me.
Woodpecker, woodpecker, knocking on a tree. Pick out a rhythm and we'll play it too. Pick out a rhythm and we'll play it too.
Nice job, Chase. And is it if we're still